In this video, we'll take a look at the generated code. The CSS that Codegen generates can either use Tailwind or BEM. We recommend the Tailwind framework because it creates a design system for you based on your sketch design. It also frees you from having to name each and every layer like you would have to with BEM. We can generate code by opening the sidebar and clicking the Generate button. By default, the Tailwind option is selected. The code for all artboards in the design will be downloaded as a single zip file. You can share the zip with anyone, and they can start working with the generated code immediately. In the zip file, you'll find index.html, which lists all the artboards in the design. Here is the landing page. As we resize the window, the page responds fluidly. We can open this file directly in an editor. Let's try changing the page title and see how that goes. We'll replace it with a different text and then refresh the page. In the archive, there is a tailwind.config.js file. It lists all the design tokens we've used in the sketch design. The CSS classes in the generated HTML is based on these tokens. Tailwind is a utility-first CSS framework. You can learn more about it in the official Tailwind website.